In a land where ancient tales mingled with the whispers of the wind, there lay a mysterious place known as the Ghost Jungle. It was a dense thicket, cloaked in mist and veiled in secrecy, where the spirits of the forest danced amidst the towering trees and tangled vines. Deep within the heart of the Ghost Jungle, where sunlight struggled to penetrate the thick canopy above, lived a young explorer named Amelia. With eyes filled with wonder and a heart ablaze with curiosity, Amelia had always been drawn to the mysteries of the natural world. One crisp morning, Amelia set out on an adventure into the depths of the Ghost Jungle, her senses alive with anticipation as she ventured further into the unknown. With each step, the air grew heavy with the scent of moss and earth, and the sounds of unseen creatures echoed through the shadows. As Amelia journeyed deeper into the jungle, she felt a strange energy pulsing through the air, like a heartbeat echoing in the silence. She knew that she was drawing closer to the heart of the Ghost Jungle, where legend spoke of ancient spirits that roamed the land. Suddenly, as she rounded a bend in the path, Amelia stumbled upon a clearing bathed in dappled sunlight, where ghostly figures danced amidst the trees. Their forms shimmered like ethereal wisps, their laughter echoing through the air like the tinkling of bells. Amelia watched in awe as the spirits twirled and swirled, their movements fluid and graceful as they moved in time with the rhythm of the forest. She could feel their energy flowing through her, filling her with a sense of wonder and awe unlike anything she had ever experienced before. But as the day wore on and the sun began to sink below the horizon, Amelia knew that it was time to return home. With a heavy heart, she bid farewell to the spirits of the Ghost Jungle, their laughter fading into the distance as she made her way back to the world beyond the trees. Days turned into weeks. For in the heart of the Ghost Jungle, where the spirits danced amidst the trees and the air was alive with magic, Amelia knew that she had found a home unlike any other, a place where dreams and reality became one, and where the spirit of adventure would always lead the way.